I'm here today to introduce to you a battery holder with armband for the Apple Vision Pro battery. The holder is designed to perfectly fit onto the Apple Vision Pro battery and installs with just a click. The battery can be installed in either the top or bottom direction to meet your needs or arm preference. The armband is 14 inches long, elastic, and fits most arms. While installing this holder, make sure not to tighten the band too much. The fit should be snug and comfortable. The holder does not block the top charging port from access, so you can charge the battery while it is in use or while the battery is installed in the holder. The battery easily comes out of the holder via the easy removal cutouts at the top of the holder. Just push from the back and the battery pops right out. This product also comes with a white cable tie so that you can secure the excess battery cord of your Apple Vision Pro headset. This holder, in addition to coming in white, also comes in a variety of other colors to match your style or color preferences. We have yellow, orange, blue, purple, glitter gray, and red available. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this product overview.